Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you have unwanted video clips in your Canva project? In Canva Mobile, you can easily remove video clips from your timeline in just a few steps. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete video clips in Canva Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. Open your existing video project from your designs. Once the video editor opens, select the video clip you want to remove from the timeline. Then tap the three dot icon above the video. A menu with different options will appear. Select Delete. The selected video clip will be removed from your timeline. You can continue editing your project or add new elements if needed. When you are finished, tap the upload icon in the top corner. You can choose share or download. For this example, I'll select download. The download screen will appear. You can adjust the file type and quality settings, or you can keep the default settings. Then tap download to save your video. Canva will start processing your video. And that's how to delete video clips in Canva Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.